Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here from Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm not actually sharing a specific book with you, but we are going to be looking at a few things in Destiny Discover. So remember, you can get to Destiny Discover through your SSO, and by doing that, it makes sure that you are logged in so that you'll have access to everything that we are talking about today. So it is now time to start thinking about getting our books turned in. So if you are not actively reading the book that you have, you need to go ahead and turn it in. There's a book drop in the hallway. So the library could be closed at any time with testing season coming up. So if the doors are shut, just go ahead and put that book in the hallway and I will get it. If the library doors are open, you can come on in and scan those books in as you normally would. If you're not sure what you have checked out, remember in Destiny Discover, when you are logged in, you can click on My Stuff and then go to Checkouts. And it will show you what you currently have checked out and when that is due. You can also go to My Stuff and click on Finds to see if you have any finds. If there is anything listed there, it is going to be for a lost or damaged book, and you are responsible for getting those taken care of. So while we're talking about turning books in, I wanted to remind you that you do still have access to reading. So in Destiny Discover, remember if you scroll down, you can click on ebooks and audiobooks. So remember our ebooks are going to be an electronic book that you can download to your device and read it on your device. The audiobooks are an audio version of someone just reading the words to you. So if you're interested in these types of books, I would encourage you to make sure that it's checked in or checked out. Also make sure that you are logged in so that you have access to all of those. And don't forget these little see all buttons over here. So if you have any questions about how ebooks or audiobooks work, any questions about what you currently have checked out or why you have a fine, then stop by the library and see me. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.